MFC, an acronym for Metal Forming and Coining, is a leading provider of innovative cold-formed and flow-formed metal products for global automotive OEMs and their large Tier 1 suppliers, as well as the industrial and agricultural markets. MFC is a technical products company composed of engineering and manufacturing facilities in North America. MFC's unique and competitive product line provides distinct advantages in the metalworking arena, particularly where there is a high degree of complexity due to customer requirements, such as varying wall thicknesses while maintaining high-strength characteristics. Some of the benefits the company's customers look to MFC for include one-stop component solutions that reduce the need for additional processes and handling and their associated costs, as well as creative approaches to addressing the need for weight reduction without compromising strength and quality. The company serves customers through 2 high-tech manufacturing plants with differing processes. The facility in Maumee, Ohio, just outside of Toledo, is the Metal Forming and Coining Production Center for press-based, cold-formed parts manufacturing. With over 100,000 square feet, Maumee capabilities also include in-house coating necessary for lubrication in the forming process, high-volume grinding, blank processing, high-volume cutoff, and a vibratory finishing department. MFC Netform, a 56,000 square foot facility located close to Detroit in Shelby Township, Michigan, is the MFC Center for Flow Forming and Machining Operations. The Netform facility is focused on high-volume transmission components with secondary processes including milling, broaching, turning, drilling, staking, and deburring. Both plants are close to major North American automotive customers' purchasing and engineering centers. Together, MFC serves major automotive OEMs, including Ford, Fiat Chrysler, and GM, as well as a host of other global companies. Product expertise includes a strong focus on transmission and other powertrain components used in both automatic transmissions and engines. MFC products are unique and vary from raw, cold-formed components to fully machined assemblies. Current production is centered on parts including pinion carriers, transmission clutch drums, torque converter lugs, valve bridges, carrier assemblies, transmission hubs, crossheads, and various transmission and other engine components. With both cold forming and flow forming operations, work hardening, or increasing the tensile strength of the finished product, can create a part that is up to 3 times stronger than the original raw material. Cold forming, also known as coining, is a high-pressure process that transforms the metal preform into new shapes at room temperature. Offering superior finishes, variable cross-section thicknesses, and improved dimensional capability, cold forming can also eliminate the need for heat treating and additional machining operations. Cold forming capabilities at MFC are supported by approximately 50 presses, ranging in capacity from 50 to 3,000 tons. Most parts are created from raw steel that is transformed in blanking or cut-off presses to create the preforms required to begin cold forming production. This blanking machine is cutting steel rod into proper length preforms, which will soon become crossheads in diesel engines. Valve retainers are another high-volume, long-life part in the MFC portfolio. Our patented press-formed spline hub technology is just one of many innovations that change the way this part is made. Formerly produced in multiple steps, MFC's spline hub is formed with just one hit or stroke on the press, and the part is complete, reducing part and tooling costs, increasing production rates, and allowing variable wall sections while improving product quality. This one-hit process reduces cycle times by over 50% versus traditional multi-step processes. This large-capacity coin press produces pinion carriers at a rate of 1 every 4 seconds, After forming is complete, all parts are quality checked with vision systems and undergo laser gauging to guarantee quality control specifications are met for every single part produced. Finally, an automated transfer system is utilized in the trim press. Additional value-added services at MFC Maumee provide finishing operations that include shot blasting, vibratory finishing and deburring, as well as phosphate coating and lubrication. Flow forming is the heart of the operations at MFC Netform, the leader in high-volume flow forming for automotive transmission applications. Utilizing a combined axial rotary forming process, the preform is flow formed against a hardened mandrel, utilizing state-of-the-industry CNC equipment to control wall thicknesses and profiles to within a few thousandths of an inch. The resulting internal features of the flow-formed part are ready for use as is, hence the term net-formed. This planetary carrier preform was actually cold-formed at MFC Maumee prior to undergoing machining operations at MFC Netform. This machining cell is a perfect example of how robotics and automation fulfill a critical role in the manufacturing process at MFC. From start to finish in this cell, robots and automation perform all throughput operations, including machine loading, gauge loading, part orientation, and part inspection, allowing the 12-machine cell to be efficiently run by only 2 trained operators on each shift. In-process part gauging is a critical and ongoing operation at each manufacturing cell. This quality control step in the MFC process guarantees process consistency, product uniformity, and conformance to specifications before and after value is added through machining, assembly, and finishing processes. MFC gauging stations provide an accurate record that is instantly available through the company-wide Plex system. Plex is a business process management software that delivers a complete view of manufacturing operations and is available to the entire organization in real time. Once the flow form operation is complete, these hot-forged preforms will emerge from this cell as completed clutch housings. Value-added services contained within this cell include machining, broaching, notching, drilling, deburring, and wash and rust preventative operations. The functionality of the cell is improved by progressive transfer and robotic technology to advance the product from machine to machine within the cell. Process technology is a key aspect of efficient operations at MFC, and product design is what drives it. MFC design and engineering support teams work at the customer facilities or at the MFC development centers, collaborating together to develop new components and assemblies. This joint effort proceeds from design development, including the selection of raw materials and production technologies, to validation of components, prototyping, followed by process development and validation, and finally, the tooling design that creates successful pilot builds, product launches, and subsequent manufacturing success stories. At MFC, the culture has been developed to look beyond the individual component or original part design and utilize process skills, engineering expertise, and metallurgical know-how to identify product efficiencies that may be obtained, for example, by combining 2 or more individual parts into a single component, such as this splined hub seen earlier being press-formed on the coin press. MFC has an engaged workforce in all departments. Employees are highly trained and take ownership responsibility for their area of operations. The 5S system is a workplace tool used to help organize the workplace for efficiency and effectiveness. The 5 S's include sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. Quality certifications, sweeping recognition for quality of production, coupled with design and engineering relationships, have garnered MFC numerous patents and a large and ever-growing collection of industry awards. Through this recognition, MFC has gained unprecedented respect as a process leader in the automotive manufacturing world. Since 1953, MFC has developed and supplied innovative, critical components to automotive markets and enhanced its technical expertise, refined its manufacturing methods, expanded its product line, and diversified its markets. The key to our past success and future opportunity is the fact that our people know this business from the inside out. This strength throughout our organization is just another reason why our customers recognize MFC Corporation as a valuable, trusted partner in their success.